Okay, boys and girls, I want to show you probably your home or a home built in the 50s and 60s is much stronger than homes built today. Here we have your typical lumber from your local lumberyard, big box store. Same way here. This is a 2x6. These are 2x12s. This is SPF. So, no, this is maybe fir right here. It's untreated. This is treated. So it's either SPF, spruce pine fir, or southern yellow pine. This here is pine. If you notice the growth rings, see how far apart they are on here as compared to this. This is much denser. I just tried to drive a 16 penny nail through this in the house, and it was something. Drove a screw through it and they were squealing like little pigs. So the thing is, this is denser. This is the old growth timber that our lumber used to come from. This is new growth. See how far apart these things are? Good grief. And this is why over the years our spans have got shorter and shorter, because our lumber is not as strong as it used to be. So next time you think you turn your nose up at that old house, just think it's got better lumber in it than your new house does. So it's just something I wanted to bring to your attention. A lot of people don't get this, but look how just close those growth rings are compared to this. This tree, yes, this tree is older, but the thing is, our timber companies are engineering wood that grows so fast now that it's not as dense and as strong as our old wood. And this is why when I see an old house being torn down, they're just throwing the wood away, I'll stop and I'll get some lumber if they'll let me, because this stuff right here, this is from the 50s or 60s, and this stuff here is better than anything you can buy today, new lumber that you can buy today. So just something to keep in mind. If you ever get a chance to get old lumber, get it, because it'll be better than anything you can buy today. So hey, just FYI, a little tip. So anyway, Donald, Blue Collar DIY, I'm out.